Hi, this is Subhas and you are watching Sippers. Today we will see how can we build a banking application with the help of Spring Boot, and we'll some add some dependencies and all these things. Then we'll make a proper banking application. Okay, so what we'll do, you can see here, this is the application.properties file, and this line is all about like JDBC. How, like here we are like linking our application with the MySQL, and this is my, for this case I am writing down this as my username, and this is my password, and this is how we can like link with our uh, um, MySQL, and this is the database name which I created in MySQL. Okay, fine. Then we create some packages. So first will I created entity basically. uh, okay, this is entity. Okay, entity actually, like, you can think like this. Think of the entity package like the forms will fill out when you open a bank account. Okay, these forms contains information about the like account holder and account number, balance, etc. Okay, in this application, entities represents the structure of the data like bank accounts with fields. Okay, that store in the necessary information. Okay, this is all about entity details. Then control package. Okay, like imagine the control package as the bank like teller or controller. When you go to a bank, and the like teller is the person who interacts with you and takes your request, like depositing money like this, and like initiates the necessary actions like this. In this application, controller handle the incoming request from the client, like adding or withdrawing money, and communicate with the uh, service layer to process these requests. Okay, like you can see there are multiple of methods which I created. This is the account details, get account details, and this is the deposit REST API, and this is the withdraw REST API. Okay, like this is the all all account REST API. We can see all the accounts in that particular bank, and this is the delete account REST API. Okay, then we'll see service. Okay, so the service package, like okay, the service package is like the bank manager, or you can say, or backend operations team. Okay, they decided how things should be done, or like s- like you can say, such as verifying your account details and ensuring that there is enough money before approving a withdrawal. Like this, service contains basically uh, the business logic like this. You can see here. Okay, business, they handle operations such as checking account balance and before allowing withdraw, or calculating the new balance after a deposit. These are things which we can do in service repository. Okay, uh, then like we can one more thing is DTO. Okay, account DTO is data transfer object repository. Okay, it's like you can say forms with less details. Okay, imagine that when you apply for a service at the bank, and you only need to fill out the simple form that doesn't require all the details, just the essential ones for that service. This and the purpose of details is like it is used to transfer data between different layers. Okay, or the applications, often between the client and server, or between services, and they contain only the data needed for a what specific operations, or specific transaction. Okay, then one question can arise like why did use. Okay, so main thing is like it is efficiency, and the second one is security. By only sending the necessary data, like reduces the lots of the amount of data transferred over the network, and improving performances. And security also is much more than like any to Spring securities. Okay. So this is all about my application. next we'll run this app so we can understand properly. Here I am running the application. It will take some time. Okay, we are not getting any error. That means all things are doing great. Okay, then we'll go to post map. Okay. Here we choose post and body raw. Here we'll add one account holder name like uh, Sambit Sahu. And like he is very rich, so he has 2 lakh. Okay, then we'll send the request. Here you can see ID is 12, that because of like I added auto increment there. Okay, and here is the Sambit Sahu and 2 lakh, ID is 12. Okay, after that here we can check the details of that account. Okay, here get the account details by ID. You can see if I enter here, yes, you can see we are getting the same data which we had previously. Okay, after that is a one APIs. Here this is the deposit API where we can deposit amounts. Okay, by with the like ID. Okay, here is the ID like 12, and deposit if we are adding 10 rupees. Okay, look, the deposit amount got increased. Okay, then uh, mm, here 40, here like how much we added deposit, 10 rupees. Okay, so here we want to like withdraw 10 rupees. Okay, yes, you can see I added here 12 and amount 10 rupees. Yes, look, again it is worked perfect. Then you can see all the account details here. Okay, get, you can see like 12 accounts should be there. Yes, you can see in the number 12 we added just now Sambit Sahu in the ID of 12. There are also lots of accounts are there. Okay, then we want to delete that account which we added just before. Okay, 12. Okay, that look, account is deleted successfully. You can check here again. See, the ID 12 is not there. Okay, if you want guys like we can do in live, please comment down so that we can do this project like from scratch to like end. Okay.